Hello guys and welcome to my channel. You might be thinking that which is the best phone in the mid-range. Competing the Redmi Note 5 Pro is the one and only Asus Zenfone Max Pro. So let's have a look what is there in this phone. So let's start. Basically, this phone comes with the Snapdragon 836 chipset and the one and only phone with the dual VoLTE. Yes, you can use two Geo SIM at a single time. It comes with three variants: the 32 GB, 3 GB, 4 GB, 64 GB, and 6 GB, 64 GB. The main highlight of this phone is the large battery backup and the display. It comes with the 5.99 inches display. So before all this, let's have a look what's there inside it. Here is this SIM ejector tool, yes, and this basic user guides. Keeping the device aside, let's check more inside. This is a USB type B cable and a socket. Yeah, you are gonna to get a fast charging here. Might be better. Keeping all the device material aside, check out this main phone, the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. I have this black color with me. You will be getting the silver variant also. So boot it out and check out what's there. Powered by Android and the Asus branding. This Zenfone Max Pro having the dual camera on the back and having a single 8 megapixel camera. The build quality is the metal aluminum body having a volume rocker and a power button on its side, and the microphone and the speaker grill on the bottom with a USB normal USB type port. It comes with the 19:9 aspect ratio full HD, and you will be getting a 4K recording over here. Yeah, 4K. The main highlights of this phone is the battery. The large battery, not large in size but in the specification. The 5000 mAh battery that comes only with this phone. You wanna go to use it without charging for 2 days. Yes, that's the promise by the Asus, and it comes out with Android 8.1 and June update of the security. Sorry, May, but you will be getting quite early. And this Asus company, no, this brand promises for the latest Android P, but let's see when it comes. And this device has a very good build quality, and you will be getting a extra case for the volume boosting. It has also a fingerprint sensor on its back, and the color is quite good, the metallic feel and a rough and tough. I haven't checked the fingerprint till now. The fingerprint is quite good and really so fast. This is a total phone setup. I haven't checked out the camera yet, but still it is a very good opinion for you to buy this phone in this mid-range, having a variable price from 11,000, 13,000 and 16,000, the 64 GB, and you wanna go to get it on Amazon.